Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter 13 exponents and power. Today we will come to know about laws of exponent. Let us learn the first law. Multiplying powers with the same base. Suppose we are having 2 की power 3 into 2 की power 5. That means we are having the base same and powers are different and we want to multiply. So what is the rule? First we will expand this 2 3 times and then 2 5 times. So we will get 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We get 2 8 times. So we get the rule. What we get the rule means 2 3 times multiplied by 2 5 times. So what we will do when bases are same and powers are different and we are multiplying this, so we get the rule that these powers should be added, that is 3 plus 5, that is 2 to the power 8. Therefore we get our first law, a की power m into a की power n. Here you can see base are same and powers are different, so we get this our first law, these powers should be added. Suppose this is the case of negative integer, suppose then also it is the same, minus 2 into minus 2 की power 3 into minus 2 की power 5. That means minus will come, all the minus will come here and the rule will remain same, it is minus 2 की power 8. In that case also minus 2 is the base and we will add these two power and answer will come same. So we got the conclusion that a can be negative or positive number, but base should be same and powers are different. When we are multiplying we get the law. So this is the first law. Student, now we will try these at page number 254. First part, 2 की power 5 into 2 की power 3. What is the question? Question is simplify and write in exponential form. That means we have to use law. First law we will use where bases are same and powers are different and we are multiplying it. So it will be added. So 2 की power 5 plus 3. We have to write the law. Which law we are using? A की power m into a की power n is equals to a की power m plus n. This law we are using. So here answer is 5 plus 3 is 8. Now moving to fourth part. Again minus 4, both the bases are same and powers are different and we are multiplying, so we will add these powers. In every part students you have to write the law which we are using. We are again using a की power m into a की power n is equals to a की power m plus n. So here answer is a की power minus 4 की power 120. Students, now moving to second law, dividing powers with the same base. Suppose our bases are same, 3 की power 5 divided by 3 की power 2. Their bases are same but powers are different. Now we are dividing. So what is the rule? 3 divide 3 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we are dividing with the 3 2 times. So how we will solve? These 2 3 will cancel each other. We will get 3 3 times. These 3 3's are left. So we can write 3 raised to the power 3. Now what is the rule? We can write the rule here. It is a की power m divided by a की power n. So these powers should be subtracted. This is the second rule. According to this law, you can see here if we apply this rule, it is equal to 3 5 minus 2, that is 3 raised to the power 3. These two are same. So instead of doing such a long calculation, we directly apply this law. So students, you have to remember this law. I am repeating for you. A की power m divided by a की power n equals to a की power m minus n. When you are multiplying these two types, the powers will be added. When we are dividing, the power should be subtracted. Students, now we will try these at page number 255. The law which we have learned, we will use that law. first part we are doing 2 raised to the power 9 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. You can see here all the two bases are same but powers are different and we are dividing it. So which law we will use? We will use the law a ki power m divided by a ki power n is equals to a ki power m minus n. You have to write the law in each every part where we are using it. So it will be 2, 9 minus 3. The answer is 6. 2 raised to the power 6 is the answer. Now moving to fifth part. Same question. Same bases are same. Powers are different and we are dividing. So power should be subtracted. So again we will write the law a divided by m. A raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So what is the answer? This is 3. Students, now moving to third law. What is the third law? Taking power of a power. For example, 4 raised to the power 3 and whole raised to the power 2 means power of a power, double power is there. So what we will do, like 4 raised to the power 3 2 times. So 4 raised to the power 3 means 4 raised to the power 3 into 4 raised to the power 3. Power 2 means 2 times we are doing. Now we can apply the law here. Bases are same and we will apply the formula of power different maybe. So it is 4, 3 is 3. So that is equals to 4 raised to the power 6. Which law we have used? We have used the law a ki power m into a ki power m is equals to a ki power m plus 1. This is the first law which we have already studied. Now you can observe answer is 4 raised to the power 6. How it comes? When we multiply 3 into 2 also, this 6 is coming. So instead of solving these two steps, we can directly apply the formula. When there is a power of a power, then these two powers are multiplied. So we get the final conclusion that a raised to the power m raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n. This is the third law. You have to learn this law. A raised to the power m raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n. Now students, we will try these at page number 255 based on the third law. 6 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4. That means power raised to the power. So what we will do? We will multiply these two. What is the law? Law is a raised to the power m raised to the power n equals to m into n. So this is the law we have used. That is equals to 6 raised to the power 4 2s are 8. Now moving to last part, fourth part. Again double raised 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 7. So power should be multiplied and answer is 7 3s are 21. Which law we have used? We have used law a raised to the power m raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n. So in this way we will do the leftover parts.